Hello, thank you for watching. This is Stephen Dorsett, and I'm going to demonstrate how to paint a sky with watercolor. Before you start painting, first sketch out the clouds on the paper very, very lightly, and then you want to go around the clouds and paint the rest of the paper with a light wash of blue. Be sure that you mix in a lot of water with your blue. For the first layer, for the second layer, you want to go to the top of the page and add a darker value of blue, and you can let some of it kind of bleed into the light area. If there's any lines that separate the dark and light blue, you can go over it with a clean brush and kind of blend those together, the light and dark, so that you've got a smooth transition. Alright, now I'm painting the shadows. I mixed blue with orange to make a neutral tone, and I'm going to apply all the shadows. Notice that some of the shadows are darker than others. Some of the shadows are at the bottom of the cloud, but there's shadows pretty much throughout the entire cloud. After I've applied all the shadows, I'm going to go over the edges of the top of the shadows and kind of blend those into the highlights. This will make your clouds look more puffy, it will make them look more 3D, and make them look more like clouds. Alright, now I'm going back in and touching up some of the sky and defining those edges a little bit more, adding a little bit more detail to the clouds as well. Alright, so if some of the white of the paper gets dark, maybe some blue from the sky gets onto the cloud, or some of the shadow gets into the highlight, you can take a clean brush that's slightly damp and kind of scrub away that paint. Alright, before we finish up, I'm just touching up the shadows, touching up a little bit of the sky, and then I'll be done. Thank you for watching.